Hi everybody, good to see you. Today's video is such a random and spur of the moment thing that all started with an Instagram post. So it's Sunday and I just posted this picture about a Sunday vibe, you know, chillin', no makeup, and this t-shirt that I'm wearing says it's a vibe. So then as I started to scroll through all of the comments, I kept getting question after question, where'd you get your t-shirt? Where'd you get that t-shirt? Where's it from? And so I kept replying, Poshmark. I got it on Poshmark. And so if you're familiar with Poshmark, you know it's a buying and selling online trading space for items, clothing, and I think they've expanded to home goods now. And so this cute little t-shirt, this kind of bumming around super soft t-shirt that says it's a vibe, I picked up for $12. $12! What a deal. And then it had me thinking, not only can you find somebody else's gently owned, pre-loved item, there are also boutiques that sell directly new clothing as well, but you also have an opportunity to say, clear out what it is you have in your closet and maybe make some money on some things that are just kind of sitting there and collecting dust. So here's how it's worked for me in the past. Anytime I've done a closet clean out, and I just completed one since we've all been in this stay-at-home order, and what else is there to do besides get organized and decide what you want and don't want? So in doing that, I've always had the rule of threes when it comes to what do I do with my old stuff. Number one, it goes to my mother. Granted, she is a mini-me, 5'3", so not everything's going to fit her. Number two, it goes to charity, and I've always donated to Dress for Success here in Houston. And then number three, a lot of it will go to resale, and I've taken my clothes to more than you can imagine here in Houston, and I've sold my clothes and then bought new clothes. It's just sort of this continuous recycling that goes on over there. And I wanted to now try listing on Poshmark. It's something I've never done. I've purchased from Poshmark, but now I want to list and I want to see how it works and possibly open the door and the opportunity for you to list some things of your own. And by the way, in Europe, you know, there are many other sites that operate like Poshmark. So if you don't have that where you are, you can go online and search online buying and selling of used items, and I'm sure you'll find something. So the first thing to do is clean out and figure out what it is that you don't need and what you want to sell. For me, a lot of it is work clothing because I'm renting a lot now from Rent the Runway. So I have collected a lot of work news anchor dresses that are just sitting here and I really don't wear. So that's really where I'm going to start. And in doing this video, I'm going to list one item and I will follow you and take you through that process, and then if everything goes well, by the time this video airs, which is Thursday, I'm going to pop in a bunch more so you'll be able to see what I've got going on. But the first thing to do is find what it is that you want to get rid of, make sure it's in good shape, make sure that it's clean, and then we're going to now get into the details of what's next. So the next thing you want to do is photograph what you're selling. You've got a couple of options here. You can always leave it on a hanger, hang it on something, make sure you have a nice clean background so nothing competes with the dress or whatever it is you're trying to sell. Some people will just take things and lay it flat on a white comforter on their bed. Others have recommended getting a mannequin. So that's what I did. I went on Amazon and I bought this baby. We should name her. I'll let you do that for me. We'll name her. Anyway, so now I'm going to take off the dress, get it on the mannequin, and we will photograph. Okay, really? Is it really that hard? It's easier getting dressed myself. Maybe I need her to step into it. Hold on. I don't know. Let's see. Oh yeah, I'm making progress. I am making progress. This is good. This is good. Hold on. Aha! Stick her back in. Ta-da! There she is. Okay. Perfect. So now I'm going to take some pictures. So I'm going to take pictures on my cell phone because you can upload to the app. By the way, you may want to get the Poshmark app because you can do it all on your phone. You don't have to use your computer. But what I'm going to do is take a variety of photos of this dress. Full length, side, back, boat neck, all of that. Any feature, for instance, this has a little zip up here on the thigh, so we're going to take a picture of that. Let me also state, order a mannequin in your size. So I wear a US size 4, so I made sure that my mannequin reflected that so that all of the clothes will fit properly on the mannequin. So here we go. I'm gonna start taking some pictures. And now I'm going to focus on those little features. For instance, the neckline and the zipper and a close-up that shows the detail of the fabric. Okay, and that should do it. And here we go. And now I've got to get information and description. Okay, so the next thing that I did was I went online because it's a black halo dress and I know that it has a name. So as much information as you can provide about your item, the better. So this is the black halo Marissa sheath dress and it is for sale on Saks Fifth Avenue. I know the original retail price is $345. That's going to help me in determining what my price as a seller will be on Poshmark. And it also gives the details about the dress, fabric, and all of that. So that's very helpful for me in my listing. So now that I've gotten the information on the dress and I have the Poshmark app loaded on my phone, my user handle is @boldandblessed. Of course. So I'm going to go down here where it says sell and I'm going to choose images that I've chosen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next. Then it has filters. I'm going to opt out of filters. We're going to leave it as is. Okay, what are you selling? I am selling black halo Marissa sheath dress. Describe it. Form, fitting, slenderizing, classic lines, boat neck at knee or just below, 3/4 sleeves, lined poly rayon spandex. Okay, let's include measurements. 18 inches and then 15 inches across the waist, 40 inches length. I'm going to put at first excellent condition because it is. So now, done. Category required. Dresses. Okay, quantity 1, size 4, brand black halo, color gray, new with tags, no, original price, what did I say that was? $345. Listing price, what do we do? I don't know, let's say $125. Okay, let's see what happens. I don't know, let's see what happens. $125. Oh, interesting, and it calculates your earnings when sold, 100. Okay. All right, next. Sharing, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, Tumblr. I know they say you're supposed to share. List. Okay, it's listing. So let's see what happens. Let me go to Poshmark. Okay, black halo Marissa sheath, everything that I've written about it. So they talk about how important it is to share. So I'm going to hit share and I'm going to hit to my followers. It says shared successfully to a posh party happening now. Shared successfully. I can share to Pinterest and I'll pin it. I'll just put it on Dominique Sachse Slice of Life. How's that? Okay, because they say sharing is important. And they say the next thing is you got to watch the comments that come in. All right, so I've done everything there is to do. I have followed people and designers, and I have shared, and now I just watch and wait and see if anybody has a comment, a question, or maybe a purchase. Okay, y'all, this is so exciting. It's 11 o'clock at night. I just got home from work, but while I was there, I got a notification from Poshmark that the black halo dress is sold. The dress is sold. This is so exciting. I can't wait. So I printed out the shipping label, and we will package this gal and get her ready for her trip and take care of that part of the video tomorrow. You got sold! Good morning, everybody. So let's pick up where we left off last night. I figured today I would wear another Poshmark find of mine. This Van Halen t-shirt I got for $17. And I love to find bands that really resonated with me. So Van Halen for me in the 80s was just rocking. David Lee Roth, amazing. Okay. Back to the video. So it is now time to ship the dress. And as I showed you last night, I printed off the shipping label. So now comes packaging. And what's so great is that this is shipped via USPS. So you can go online to USPS and you can order free of charge boxes and packaging to be delivered to your house. So I ordered, because I figured I'm gonna be doing this not just once. So I got a bunch of boxes that will fit larger items like a dress. And then I got these envelopes that, for instance, this t-shirt came in, so a little bit of a soft envelope. And it was also recommended that Poshmark, Poshers as they're called, decorate things nicely, you know, wrap it up, put a little bow and a sticker and all of that. So I went on Amazon and I found some decoration to, you know, make it pretty and presentable. So it's time to wrap her up. Poshmark will send you an instruction list of how to go through all of this. So the next step is you drop off the package with USPS, or you can schedule a pickup with them from USPS.com. And as soon as they scan the label into the system, an email will go out to both me, the seller, as well as the buyer, that the item has been shipped along with the tracking information. Now, when the buyer receives the package, they've got 3 days to review it and accept it. Most buyers accept items immediately upon receipt. And once the buyer has accepted the item, Poshmark will then deposit the earnings into the Poshmark account. And you are free to use those earnings to shop on Poshmark, or you can redeem them for cash. And so what I've decided to do, 3 things actually. I'm going to keep some money in my Poshmark account so that I can continue to support other Poshers out there. I will also redeem cash, and that's going to go in 2 different places. Number 1, into my account to continue to purchase things that I show you on this platform for products or whatever that is. And then the other part is going to be donated to the Houston Food Bank, because I know there are a lot of people in need right now who are out of a job, and hunger is a big issue. So that's where my donation is going to go. So I'm thrilled to be able to walk you through the Poshmark experience. I am by no means a skilled professional. I'm really quite a noob. This was my first sale, and I'm going to encourage other Poshers who are following this video. If you see any questions in the comments section from people that you might know the answer to, because chances are you will much more than I will, feel free to respond to anybody's questions about how to do this. I know that Poshmark is not available in other countries, so if you are outside the United States, I encourage you to look online for trading platforms to be able to buy and sell your wares. And make sure that these are reputable online companies, that they have good reviews. One thing that I know, and you will read if you sign up on Poshmark, for example, they have sort of a list of best practices, what to do, what not to do. It's a wonderful list to follow, but basically it is so important to keep everything on the Poshmark system. If somebody emails you or reaches out to you saying, let's do this sort of behind the scenes, we don't need, this company, stay away from all of that. So just look for something that's reputable, and who knows, maybe you'll have really good luck in selling some stuff that has been sitting around and could actually help generate an income for you. I know there are a lot of people on this platform who use this and do this as a primary means of making money. There are a lot of successful people out there. So if you're somebody like that, or if you're somebody like me just looking to unload a few things here and there, I think there's a platform for everybody. And so I'm super excited to show you how this worked. This was a total spur of the moment idea, and sometimes those are the best. So with your items to possibly sell or maybe buy, go out, be bold, and be blessed this week, and I look forward to seeing you next Thursday at 1 o'clock. Thank you.